Yo, what's going on everyone? Today I've got some crazy freaking news to tell you. There is a new Ethereum crypto mining rig that's coming soon that currently mines over $230 per day. It's real, it already exists, and it's in some Chinese mining farms already. I mine crypto, and I mine Ethereum. That's the best coin you can mine historically and right now. And when I say best, for more than one reason. One being it's also the most profitable. I'm not just mining Ethereum in my basement though, in my storage room. I've also got our mining farm in our garage here. What you see behind me there, I'm mining numerous cryptocurrencies. The most important one of those is Ethereum. But my Ethereum mining rigs, okay, so those are ASIC mining rigs you saw mostly, but I also have GPU mining rigs, which are also mining Ethereum. But the key takeaway here is simply that Ethereum is the most profitable coin to mine, and all of my miners massively pale in comparison to the mining power to this new Ethereum miner. So let's go ahead and run 10 seconds of Tails the best. Hey, shh. Hey, are you a good girl? Tails, shh. Tails, shh. Tails, where you going? The Crypto.com app is freaking awesome, and I'm not just saying that because they're an annual sponsor of the Voskcoin YouTube channel. I have been enjoying their app long before then, and they make it easy to buy, sell, trade, and also stake cryptocurrencies. Yeah, stake the coins, earn interest, earning passive income. They say that's the key to financial success, and you earn interest in the coins you're staking. So click, I'm staking my Ethereum, and now I'm earning more, and it's not locked up in this weird Ethereum 2.0 thing, and maybe I'll never get my coins back and whatever. You also get $25 for free if you use our link and complete the sign-up bonus or simply our code Voskcoin. Remember, this is the app, Crypto.com app, available on iOS and Android, not their web exchange. It's available for almost everyone except for people in New York. Sorry guys. Link out in the video description below. We've been talking about Ethereum mining for years, literally years. I mean, Ethereum mining is even what got me into cryptocurrency. So naturally, I like Ethereum and Ethereum mining overall. It has not been a smooth journey by any means, but this isn't a recap video. So let's just do, well, I say recap, but then here I am doing a quick recap. So we reviewed this device, or not this device, but the previous model, the Innosilicon A10 in January 2020, okay? It was only making $5 a day, but it was mining 0.0 for Ethereum per day, which would be pretty profitable by today's standards. Then we reviewed it in December. At that time, it was making about $17 a day, $15 a day after you pay your electric bill. We've got numerous Ethereum miners running right now, getting over 1,000 mega hash a second per day. And the earnings are absolutely respectable with Ethereum's current price. And so that's one quick note I want to make, is just obviously the more Ethereum is worth per coin, the more people want to mine Ethereum, the more companies that want to build and sell Ethereum miners. They want to get rich in the crypto mining bull run selling shovels. People want to buy these shovels and they want to dig up Ethereum and aka digital gold. All right, I'm not talking Bitcoin today, ladies and gentlemen, but they want to grab those shovels and they want to make more money. And so answer a common question is, why would you even mine? Right? Like, why would you mine? Well, it's very simple, really. So there's numerous reasons, but the simple mathematic investment reason, with not financial advice, by the way, you buy a miner for, say, just rough numbers, say $1,000, and in 3 months you mine $1,000. So in 3 months, or let's say in 3 months you mine $1,200, and your electric bill combined for those 3 months was $200. You also mine $1,000, so you paid your electric bill, and you paid for the miner. So you have your original investment back and your expenses paid. At this point, you have broken even on your mining rig. From here, it's literally straight profit, straight cash, my friends. How can that not get you freaking excited? That is passive income at its finest. Okay, people are excited to make 10% returns on real estate per year. You're out here making 100% returns in hopefully 3 months. Yeah, crypto is crazy, wild, and fast-paced, which brings us to the next next big exciting miner that, depending where you mine with it, per the mining profitability calculators, should be earning you over $230 per day just straight up mining Ethereum, as high as potentially $252 after you pay that 10 cent per kilowatt hour residential electric bill, or whatever your electric bill is. Obviously that will vary a little bit. People pay more or they pay less per kilowatt. And we go and reference another mining profitability projection here, right? Because I don't have this miner in hand yet. We will hopefully be getting one. We're supposed to be getting one, basically, right? But these things are hard to get and super sought after because, what a surprise. Something that mines over $220 a day. Current mining profitability projection. Yeah, it's pretty freaking sought after. I'll take 10 of those. So, how much do they cost? Where you get them? We're going to talk about all that stuff, right? But the simple fact here is that this is projected to make this much, and we talk about this a lot here on the Voskcoin YouTube channel, which, if you haven't already, join the other awesome 200,000 people in subscribing and join me on this crazy crypto journey. But we talk about this a lot, right? I'm trying to do the cool green screen thing, right? Look up, I'm all crossed now. What am I doing? Over there. I can't probably go up. Oh, my fingers go, wow. So my point is that a lot of exciting crypto miners come out, okay? And they sometimes fail to meet the mining profitability expectations, but Ethereum is the most profitable coin to mine with the second biggest mining network, only falling short of Bitcoin's mining network. Okay, so there's so much, there's literally millions and millions of dollars worth of Ethereum mined every single day in every Ethereum transaction that takes place. Okay, so every time someone uses Ethereum on the blockchain, especially they interact with things like the DeFi protocols and dApps and apps and decentralized exchanges, all that crazy decentralized finance stuff, you have to pay a transaction fee. And currently, all of those transaction fees go to the miners as mining rewards as well. So you get the normal Ethereum that's mined every day, called block rewards, plus the transaction fees. It's incredibly profitable. So this mining profitability projection is only based off the block reward, okay, or the estimated rewards if they are using a factor for the current transaction fees. So it actually, in reality, could be significantly higher, more like $300 per day, because Ethereum and Ethereum usage is literally booming. Okay, and Ethereum is also poised to increase in value even further in our current market per literally every analyst and factor and projection, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and everything else. Not to sound like super bullish FOMO and all that, but that's just tis the season, my friends. So how do you get this cash cow? I mentioned that there's already some out there. True. Facts. You can go to Innosilicon's website, linked below. They currently do not have a public listing for the Innosilicon A11. They do have the A10. Surprise, it's sold out. There's CoinMiningCentral, who we work with all the time. They are a reseller, okay? And basically in this market, you will be dealing with a reseller. So it's a matter of finding the right reseller. So they're good people, they're real, they exist. We've been working with them for years. What they do here is they don't mark it up like just thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, okay? They have a profit margin percentage that they put on all the devices. The manufacturers, Innosilicon, insane price gouging, okay? So they will be selling these things for probably $20,000. And then CoinMiningCentral, they will want to make a small fee on top of that for taking the risk and providing the service. Trust me, they've shared their numbers with me. It's very respectable for what they do. And that's why they continue to have some of the best reseller just kind of prices. So yeah, if you've noticed this link yet, or this little piece in the corner, 23.5 grand, 24K, basically. Okay, and you know, I want to just lay something out here. They didn't pay me to make this video. They don't even pay me. What they do is they help me source miners to review, period. You can use the code Voskcoin to get 3% off. And I actually worked with them to create a bigger discount code and not make money so you guys could get a better deal. So yeah, when I see like the shilly, oh, you show these miners in the comments, I'm like, dude, I literally forwent referral revenue just to try to get you guys better deals with them. So I just, you know, I felt the need to explain that. And I'm going to reference this timestamp for anyone complaining about that in the comments below. Okay, so this is another thing pointing to this just simply being real. For any of the speculation on that, they're not going to list a miner that they are not sure is real. I need to confirm with them, but I believe they already have these on orders. These miners are sold out months in advance to the supply chains. You think Innosilicon wants to deal with 10,000 orders from 10,000 different people? They'd rather have like 15 to 15 different people, and you just hope some of those are resellers so you could even have a chance at getting these things. I didn't mean to click that. They also have sold the Innosilicon A10 Pro with 6 GB, which we are going to be reviewing shortly. They also have been selling the Innosilicon A10 Pro Plus with 7 GB of onboard memory that mines at 750 megahash a second. But all of these pale in comparison to the new incoming A11 Big Boy 2000 megahash a second, which is just absolutely freaking wild. Anyone who has GPU mined before knows it's like this big journey to get to 1 gigahash a second on Ethereum, especially back in the day when it was a lot more difficult. So if you want to reach out to them and get on their list, I mean, this is the market we're in all reality, is you contact them, I'll have it linked out, and you say, hey, I'm in for the A11, put me on the list. I watched the Voskcoin video. That's it. And you know, you do with that for whatever you want. Just to, you know, reconfirm this, right? Oh God, a girl, Christy Minhan, you know, you may have seen her, you may have not. She's been involved with numerous things in the crypto space over the years now. Basically, I was talking to her recently, and this was, you know, last month, and we were talking about the A11. And this is where she also, you can double confirms it here. It's been inside China for some time, but is now being distributed globally. And there are a handful of other ETH-focused ASICs that are in small quantities within China. So there are other Ethereum ASIC miners that you don't know about, I don't know about, that we may never know about, because the big boys with the big money saying, hey, I'm gonna write that check because I'm mining that ETH, baby. And that's what they're doing. It's crazy. The Linzhi device still in beta testing. It's real. We'll talk more about that in another video. We actually have okay, Voskcoin Linzhi. It's gonna come right up. Come on, boom, there it is. This thing mines $200 a day, now like 300. But you can watch that video and learn more about that. And then, you know, I'm sorry I'm so high energy and crazy today. It's just stuff. It's crazy stuff, right? One of the most common questions ever is, how much longer will Ethereum be mineable? So I decided to literally make a video. How much longer will Ethereum be mineable? Answered. Okay, watch the video if you want to learn more of the details, but I won't super clickbait you, YouTubey, whatever. Basically, my opinion, 2023. Okay, 2023 realistic expectation. So you run the numbers. Is buying the Innosilicon A11 worth it, right? It's $200 a day. That's my conservative estimate for this thing. Realistically, I actually think that this thing, when it comes out, will be mining $300 a day. Realistic in this market, current trajectory, and it's like, how would it go up? The thing hashes a lot. It'll be more competition, more people wanting to eat the same pie. I'm bullish on Ethereum. I think it's undervalued in this current market. I think it's going to go up in price. That's why I think it's going to mine a higher dollar amount. I don't know necessarily if that ETH amount will be the same. It's most likely to actually be a lower quantity of Ethereum, but that said, Ethereum will be more valuable. So running, you know, you buy things based off dollars normally in this, you know, era of cryptocurrency, you run the profitability in dollars as well. With that, it'll take you in about 120 days, you will earn about $24,000, which should get you in line with the going market rate for this device. So if you've been involved with crypto mining, most specifically ASIC mining, application specific integrated circuit miners, these purpose-built machines that literally all they do is mine one specific cryptocurrency algorithm. That's why there's so many different models. Okay, what we see time and time again is that these manufacturers basically get them priced out where that they will break even between 90 days to 120 days in a bull market. And this falls right in line with that average expectation of price versus, you know, ROI, return on investment projected. So all of this stuff is pretty much what you'd expect. And so the question is, should you buy this? You know, if you want to. You know, I've given you all the data here. You know, there's no guarantees. It really depends what you can get it for and how bullish you are, and if you would be okay breaking even in a year as opposed to 4 months. Like if you say, yeah, I mean, I'd be fine if I broke even in a year. then yeah, I mean, yeah, that definitely, right? Why not? But if you're like, oh, 4 months, I want to do 3, maybe your expectations are a little bit too high. But again, a lot of people are thinking that there's still a lot of bull run left to go. If that's the case, this thing could be wildly profitable for quite a few months, several months, even years. And it's very powerful. Remember, it mines the second biggest cryptocurrency when ranked by CoinMarketCap ever, and likely for a very long time looking into the future. Not the worst miner to have by any means. It consumes, let me just double check before I say the wrong number. It's projected to consume, I believe, 2,500 watts. Yeah, 2,500 watts at 2,000 gigahash a second. So that is, that's moving towards industrial level, right? 2,500 watts. That's basically an entire circuit in an average, home. Keep in mind that you need to have a power supply rated to do this. It's most often, best and recommended to mine with 220 to 240 volt electric. It's more efficient, it's safer, and all the big power supplies are only rated for that, and whatever, so that's another day, another video. But the simple fact is this is a big boy miner, and you need to understand what you're doing. You should really play around with some cheaper miners, like just grab a used S9 or L3 Plus off eBay, just to make sure you understand what this is before you go out there investing over $20,000. Again, not investment advice, but just some input from my experience in dealing with people and helping so many people get started in mining over the years. So if you found this interesting at all, hit the thumbs up. Oh, I just hit the thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell, turn notifications to always on so you don't miss all of our awesome, fun, breaking news, videos, whatever. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.